Racing just is started with a full moon. Gets away immediately. Running by the release. Count me in is no monkey. Rushing about the youngs. That is Director's Gold. In between horses comes Promise. Prima Donna. The next online is Manila Boy. Running by the release. Silent Moment. Then followed now by Diamond Lane. While Miko Nanga is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with a full moon. Now moving upon the young side to take the lead. Count me in is running by the rail second. And in third comes Director's Gold. Is no monkey is done in fourth. Promise. Prima Donna comes next. Miko Nanga. Manila Boy. Silent Moment. While Diamond Lane now racing in less inside the 3 octavo. We have a full moon by about half length. About to throw the challenge now on the other side is Director's Gold, and in third here comes Count Me In. Then next online now is number 7 Prima Donna. Promise. Miko Nanga is done on the inside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have a full moon by order link. Director's Gold is on the outside. Miko Nanga now in third, last 100 meters. A full moon. Director's Gold. Miko Nanga is on the outside. Director's Gold. Miko Nanga is on the outside, and finally it's Director's Gold. Miko Nanga. A full moon. Then comes Count Me In close with Promise.
Okay, mga karimista, for race number 8 para dito sa ating unofficial winner, 10 horse, that's Director's Gold. Ang gandang laban. Masa segundo numero 3, Miko Nanga. Numero 6, Apo Moon. 4 horse, Count Me In. And 9 horse, Promise. So, 10, 3, 6, 4, 5. Nabitin tayo sa ating super